Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing the latest AI image generation tool, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra. It's being hailed as the dark horse of the image generation world, boasting faster speeds and improved image quality. But is it really worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out. What is Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra? Developed by Black Forest Labs, this is the newest addition to the Flux series, a premium AI image generator. Just a few days ago, we tested and compared 4 AI image generators, where Recraft V3's new model slightly took the lead. But now, it seems Flux is stepping up to claim the throne. This latest version focuses on ultra-fast generation, high-resolution output, and more precise prompt interpretation. So, which tool comes out on top? Stick around for a detailed comparison. The new update boosts generation speed by 6 times compared to the previous version. It introduces a high-resolution feature that supports up to 4 times higher image resolution, up to 4 megapixels, while still maintaining impressive speed with each sample taking just 10 seconds. The enhanced prompt understanding capability allows for more accurate responses to complex prompts, making it easier for users to realize their creative visions. Let's see how Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra performs in real-world scenarios. Speed and efficiency test. During our tests, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra's image generation speed was noticeably faster than competitors like Midjourney and Ideogram. When using complex scene descriptions, e.g., night, city, street, it generated images in just a few seconds, making it perfect for designers and creators who need high-efficiency output. Image quality and detail. In terms of high-resolution output, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra maintains excellent detail. Whether it's textures or lighting effects, everything looks incredibly realistic. It also shows significant improvements in handling finer details like hands and faces, although it occasionally struggles with generating accurate fingers. Comparison with Midjourney. While Midjourney excels in artistic creativity, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra stands out in speed and high-resolution support. In blind tests, Flux scored higher in realism and prompt accuracy. Honestly, if I hadn't mentioned that these were AI-generated, you might have thought they were real photos. Comparison with Ideogram. Ideogram is known for its diverse styles and creative outputs, but Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra focuses on faster generation and practical application. For example, when generating a $1 million sports car, Ideogram 2.0 Turbo couldn't match Flux's speed or realism. Comparison with Recraft V3. Now for the showdown you've been waiting for. Recraft V3 has been the top contender recently. So how does it stack up against Flux? We generated a beautiful girl dressed in luxury fashion, and both tools delivered impressive results. Although their styles differ, the quality and details are top-notch for both. However, when it comes to abstract styles, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra lags behind. Recraft V3's realistic rendering is slightly better under the same prompt, especially in abstract scenarios. Who is it for? Creative designers. Ideal for quickly generating high-resolution images. Content creators. Perfect for producing a large volume of visual content in a short time, like YouTube thumbnails and promotional images. Businesses and commercial users. Supports commercial use without any copyright concerns. Cons. Occasionally struggles with highly abstract and artistic prompts. Hand detail generation can be hit or miss, requiring manual adjustments. Overall, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra is a powerful AI image generation tool, especially suited for users who need high-quality images quickly and efficiently. If you're looking for an AI tool that balances speed with great image quality, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra is definitely worth a try. We've included the official Flux link in the description below. Scroll down to find the version that suits you best, and explore all the supported platforms. Don't miss out! Thanks for watching today's video! If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one!